Hello and welcome to Smutty Botany Part 2, a series that I have no business making at all because I'm not a botanist, I am a historian, but unfortunately I'm also an absolute child and plants that look like rude things will always make me laugh. And thanks to the first video, I now know that it makes a lot of you laugh as well. And thanks to actual botanists and people in the comments who know about these things, I have even more smutty botany to share with you. For example, Chris June Mason suggests that we look at the Coreanthus orchid. And here it is. This is a plant that is native to Central America, South America, Trinidad and Mexico. I just don't even... Does this look like the penis or the vagina? This looks like dragon genitals. This is what I imagine a dragon's genitals would actually look like. But one of the interesting things that I have now learnt about this plant, apart from its unusual and unique appearance, is that it's evolved to make best friends with a bee. I told you I was shit at botany. But it needs a bee in order to reproduce. It's made best mates with a bee who does a little dance and takes its nectar, and then it's the male bee that does it, and then he uses it as a kind of perfume to attract the female bee. It's a whole thing. And then Sarah said that she's really disappointed I didn't include the Nepenthes. Is that how I pronounce it? Anyway, here it is. It does. It just looks like a whole fleet of them swinging in the wind. Right, the Nepenthes, or the tropical pitcher plant, is found all over areas like Borneo, Madagascar, Australia, Malaysia, basically anywhere where it's trop and tropical. Hot and tropical, you're going to get this. This is a carnivorous plant. It fills itself up full of lovely sweet juices that all the insects and some small animals actually as well can't resist. They get trapped in and oh no, it's all over. And for everything that meets their maker being trapped inside one of these, the fact that they look a lot like a member would not have been funny at all. Pink Slip Jam says to check out the voodoo lily. And here it is. This beast is found in Asia, Africa, Australia and various oceanic countries. Its name there, the Amorphophallus, is Latin, and amorphous means misshapen and phallus means penis. So its name is quite literally the misshapen penis. And as Pink Slip Jam says, this thing stinks like a rotting corpse. The flower emits an absolutely foul stench of decay to try and attract insects and flies. And we all know that no matter how big and pink it is, if it smells bad, then it's just not going to work, is it? That is the Amorphophallus, or the voodoo lily. And I had several comments saying that I'd left out the boob cactus and the penis cactus, which, to be completely honest, I thought were just people trolling me. O ye of little faith. The Matriliocactus geometrizans. Behold. Also known as the boob cactus, grows in Mexico, where it is prized for its unique shape. And I definitely thought you were trolling with this one, but you weren't. Behold, the penis cactus. Grows across South America and can grow up to 16 inches tall and 5 inches wide and has a well-rounded tip. It is known for being able to survive in particularly dry and parched areas and has been used by native people in fertility rituals. And finally, the Mammillaria matudi cactus, also known as the thumb cactus. I found this one all by myself. Named after the Mexican botanist Izzy Matuda. This is a chunky and hardy plant that thrives in dry scrublands. And I think we can all agree that it does look exactly like a thumb. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Smutty Botany, and please remember that you can lead a horticulture, but you can't make a think.